2015 Chevy Camaro V6. We got something special on this one. It's got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then somebody else deleted the resonators for him, or the mid mufflers. And he brought it to us and we put a bolt-on kit for him. There and there. Nothing fits, so we had to weld everything and cut it up to make it fit. That's what it looks like right there and right there. So we had to weld everything up for him. Some bolt up. NVPR or something. I don't have the name for it. Anyways, I'll get you the name in a second on the second video. But like always, guys, please subscribe. There it is, right there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. So on this Camaro, apparently it's a REV-9 system off eBay. Bolt-on system, but that didn't fit. So we chopped it up to make it fit. There's the 2 rear resonators we cut off right there. And put these in their place. REV-9. Go ahead. Woo! I like it. That don't sound too bad at all. It's a V6 Chevy Camaro. Yeah, sounds really good. Sound decibels, go ahead. It peaked at 107. Go ahead and back it up. Give it gas. Rev. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro V6 REV-9 exhaust. That's what it sounds like.